that?
That's a Christmas tree.
Is it?
A baby one.
Oh.
That big as that.
Let's see. So pretty. Can I see? What does it say? It says, oh, how cute.
When you do this,
Just like peekaboo, huh?
peekaboo,
Peekaboo.
peekaboo, peekaboo.
What is this one right here?
This one?
No.
What?
Yeah. What's that one?
Man playing a guitar.
Really? You want me to take it out so you can hang it up? I think it's taped. Let me help you. Well, let me help. Careful. Honey, that's Santa Claus can explain her. Yeah, it's Santa. Santa's playing a guitar.
Oh, yeah.
You want to go hang him up?
Yeah.
Careful.
Santa Claus is, but he has green pants. Santa has red pants. He has red pants.
And I think, you know what? I think he wears green pants only when he plays a guitar. Those are his guitar playing pants. Hang him up high. You got too much over there, honey.
Put this guy in the tree.
You're gonna play with your
With
train?
the tree.
What about this? You're gonna hang this one up? You know,
Oh, yeah.
I'll hang it up. You're hanging stuff way too low.
No.
Uh-oh. Does it fit?
How about this?
I don't think that's an ornament.
There's a string.
Let me see. Yeah, I don't think that's an ornament. It doesn't go on a tree. Let me see. Oh, maybe it does. It does. You can fit it on a branch.
Stop, Steven! Stop!
Leah, stop. Leah, stop. You're on video. Okay. All right. What else we got?
Let's do the hook. Because it's all...
He's cute.
That
Yeah,
doesn't go on.
it doesn't go on the tree. Well, how about we put it next to the bear on the TV?
Alright. How about behind the bear?
No, I want to see it. No, because we can't see it. I can't see it there. How about we put it next to the snowman? Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Where's the tree?
I don't know. It's on the couch.
Oh. He's back. Oh, the tree fell.
Yeah, you have too much on the bottom. Yeah. Why don't we put it over here somewhere?
How about some right here?
Okay. Well, what about something in the front? We have nothing over here. What's that?
I think that's Santa's workshop.
Oh, I think you're right.
Red. It's red.
Yeah.
Chubby, chubby, choo, choo.